Hi, it's Mitz from My Life Mitz. Thank you so much for stopping by. So today is an unboxing video. I'm going to share with you the Prada collaboration traveler's notebook. I know there was a little bit of controversy with this collaboration. Some people, or a lot of people that I see, the comments online were not happy with this collaboration. Traveler's Company have since posted on their blog for the reasoning as to why they went through with this collaboration. So I will leave all those links down below. I wanted to say a big, huge thank you to Rita for picking this up for me in London. And let's open it up. This is the black one. To be honest with you, I too was a bit confused with the collaboration. Like, it didn't really feel like it was a match. But to be honest, this is probably the closest I will get to ever purchasing or getting a brand name item. I don't think I'm ever going to be able to afford like a brand name item like this. So I went with the black with a standard black size. I don't have a black passport traveler's notebook. I actually filmed a collection video, and that was several weeks ago. I still haven't edited yet, so this video will most likely go up after that video, but so this is not part of that collection video that I filmed weeks ago. But there's the packaging there. I think I'm gonna give this to my friend, so I'm gonna just leave this to the side. I don't want to open it up. And so let's open up the black. It comes with the black elastic, and let's see the inside. If I'm not mistaken, I believe this was £60, and it just has the how to care for your leather notebook cover. And this time it's kind of like a mustard, no, I don't want to say mustard, it's not that, it's a, yeah, maybe it is a mustard yellow. It's slightly more dull, but oh, I really like this color. I might switch it to this. I really like this color. So let's open this up. Oh, it's very smooth. I was expecting more of like the, yes, it's very smooth. I was expecting more of the, not powdery, but less smooth leather. So there it is. Hopefully you can see how slick that is. It's very smooth, and that's the big, oh, it's hard to see on the camera, but that's the big imprint there, and on the back there. Let's see. Yeah, this leather I've never felt before. I feel like it's very slick. Like my other, sorry, I lied. I do have a black passport traveler's notebook, but it's the Narita edition. I don't have like a standard one, and I feel like this is different. So this is the inside. It's overcast, so it's a bit hard to see. I'm kind of angling it so that you can see in the light. And then this is the insert. It is a nice baby blue, or like a sky blue notebook insert. And the paper, I wonder what kind of paper it is. Let me show you. Let me take this out. I don't know if it's because it's blue that it's kind of playing with my mind, but maybe it is slightly different. Like, I feel like, can you see the different design on there? It's very, very faint. It's very nice though, it's different. This cover is definitely different. It's not like the same craft. I feel like it's different. So that's the cover. Oh, I can smell this leather. It smells really nice actually. I just have it on the table, but I can like smell it, and it's really, really nice. So that is the insert. You can see once again the design is very, very faint. You can see right there. I really like the light blue gentle light blue color. It's really nice. And this, it smells really good, but I don't know, it just feels really different. Let me bring the black airport one that I have. So this is the black one that I have, the airport edition. I was expecting like this, I don't know how to explain it. It's not powdery, but I was expecting some resistance. Like this is very, very slick. See if you can see the comparison. I'm going to direct it towards the light there by my window. You can see the comparison. Like this is so slick. And I'm not too sure what's going on here with the spine. I don't know if it's definitely not dry, but I guess that's just how it is. You can see that there on the spine. It smells really lovely though. But yes, I was not expecting this at all. I understand that leathers are all, you know, a little bit different, and they come from it comes from different hides and things, so it's every notebook is a slightly different, but I was not expecting this slick leather at all. Yeah, you can see the comparison. Now the sun is out. I don't know if you can see the difference now. It's like very slick and shiny as opposed to the passport one from Narita. I don't want to say shiny as in like a used shiny. I will share with you. This is my traveler's notebook that's been used for a while. This is shiny. It's a different type of shiny. I don't know how to explain it. You can see that against the light. But yes, I thought I would just unbox this with you quickly on camera. I will post the links down below to the Travelers Company blog and explanation as to why they decided to go with this collaboration. I know there's some happy people and some people that were not so happy, and a lot of comments back and forth. But yes, I'm very excited, and thank you so much, Rita, for getting this for me. I don't know, I purchased a Nolte 1180. I think I'll do like a stationery Sunday video, just kind of chatting with you about stationery stuff, but that's perfect, eh? Anyways, I'll do another video. So I'll leave it at that for now. I'll do a setup maybe in another, like a stationery Sunday video or something like that. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.